Oh, we see water already. Oh, Jesus. Right there, folks. All right, here's the problem here. I think it's leaking from the back splash here. Either here or here. Because that's our situation down here. So about the house is already like this. I think it was leaking either through these connectors here. Figure out where it's coming from. Also, the seal on this looks pretty old. Looks like it's not doing its job. That could be from pouring hot water into the sink, and it'll break the seal. But it looks like there's water dripping here. There. It looks like there's water dripping up there too. So most likely it's probably just apply some silicone. We'll cut a piece of wood to cover this up, square this off, make it look pretty on top. All right, come along for the ride. So to check if where the leak is coming from, you can fill up a bowl of water, pour it down the drain, great big gush. All right, I think we found the culprit here. That's it. Coming down. It's creating a water ring right there. So it's probably the seal not doing its job. They're going to measure out the diameter of the drain for the sink. And it looks like it's like 4.5 there. Four and a half. The last reason why this is dripping. Come on in here. So it's a uni port, and there's the water dripping. So probably what happened is dripping, and it's hit this, and it's dripping down here. All right, so these laminates here, there's many kinds. Basically birchwood, a bunch of them. So other one over here, $29 for birchwood. So what we need is a 2x4, which is sufficient. We measure it out at 2 feet by 3 feet. So I'm thinking of putting this. It has a little plastic coating to it. It's made for dry erase board chalkboards, but it's the size we have, and it's about 23 by 85 and about 35 inches. Chalkboard dry eraser has $9.98, and I've cut to size to what we need it for. All right, $9.98. Alright, so we're gonna go with this here. It's 10-year mold resistant, dries in 30 minutes, non-paintable, it's clear. So that, $7.98. The deeper one, $24.99. A little deeper. There we go. It's spinning. Slowly but surely. So a pro tip, you can grab right here. Put this counter traction on, grab right here instead of the whole thing. So it gives you a little bit of advantage there. We're going to lift up and out. New? Oh, you notice on the new one, the foam is still there. This is pretty much obliterated. So it's still white foam there, but pretty much obliterated. But this is exactly the same sink drain. So we're gonna clean everything up and put it all back together. So while we're here, we're going to clean this up too. Get a razor blade, clean everything up, and we'll wipe everything with alcohol. Same here. We'll wipe everything with alcohol, let it dry, and then we'll put our silicone, and we'll put our stuff all back together. All right, I got a razor blade, and we'll clean everything up. All right, let's apply our silicone. I'm gonna cut it at an angle, that way I have control of how much bead comes out of this. Something like that. First we're gonna do this. We can go ahead and put this in, or we can put some more. And then we have to wipe off the excess, of course. Let's double check, triple check, and then put right into the grooves there. Put a bead of silicone there. I want no more leaks. No more leaks. There we go. Flip off the excess. Alright, let's drop this in. And we'll catch it on the side. I won't film from the bottom, and you get the idea, you just gotta screw it in. Snug that up. The pro tip is you wanna do the bottom first. So screw that in, and then snug the top up. Now to cover that other thing, we're gonna go cut a piece of wood. We'll show you that in the next clip. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that one, just overlay it with this one, and trace it onto this new one we got from Lowe's. We use a handsaw. We use a handsaw because, you know, it's a thin piece of wood. I don't want to mess with it if I use the electric one. And we use this to tape everything up. All right, here we go. So we're just gonna overlay the old one and just trace it out. It should be easy. Make sure this is squared up here. There we go. Put it right in the money. Where we want it to be. Trace this out here, up to here, up here. So we'll just cut them along the outline. Easy peasy. So like I said, I'm using a handsaw because I don't want to ruin the wood. I'll do that. A little pro tip is when you're cutting wood, see how it's like this? It's really tight to move. If you split the wood just a little hair, it's easy to move the saw. Little pro tip for you there. There we go. Nice and pretty. All right, let's get back in there. All right, we're back. We're gonna put that piece of wood that we cut and just cover this ugly part up. go, folks. This is pretty now. It's pretty dang good, like I say. Alright. Let that cure, and then we'll check on the progress. If you like these type of videos where I talk about personal finance and cost savings, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up. This was a cost saver. I'll put a flash across the screen how much would it cost for the plumber to do this. So I'll see you in next week's video. Who knows, we'll try to do a video on electric lawnmowers or maybe another credit card. All right, see you in the next video.